Let me guess, you just received your new high-steam mini boiler iron and you're anxious to use it. Let us help you get started. First, take the boiler out of the box and inspect it. Check for any damage that might have occurred during shipping. If you notice anything, give us a call right away. Insert the cord supporter into the hole provided at the top of the boiler. The iron cord and hose go into the loop on the top of the cord supporter. Be sure the gray plug for the iron is connected to the gray receptacle. Open the water cap by pushing down and turning it counterclockwise. An empty MVP 35 boiler will hold up to 3.5 quarts of tap water. Fill to within 1/2 inch of the top of the sight glass. If using the SVP 24 boiler iron, use the dipstick to check the water level in your boiler. Close the water cap by pressing down and turning clockwise. Do not over-tighten. Plug the boiler into a grounded outlet. Next, turn on the iron switch and the boiler switch. Both switches will light up. It will take about 12 to 15 minutes for the tank to heat up. Set the thermostat knob on the iron to the desired temperature. These temperature settings are approximate, so you always want to check the temperature on a hidden part of the garment. When the pressure gauge reads approximately 40 psi and the steam ready indicator lights up, you are ready to press. During ironing, this light will go on and off. To get steam, press the red thumb switch. The first time you press, point the iron away from the garment in a safe direction. Press the thumb switch to eliminate any condensate from the iron. The volume of steam can be controlled by turning the flow control knob. The normal position for the knob is half open. When finished pressing, turn off the boiler and iron switches and unplug the boiler. Regular maintenance is key to the iron's longevity. If the unit will not be used for a period of time, make sure the water isn't stored in the boiler tank. It's recommended to clean the boiler and the iron at least once a month. As usual, if you have any questions, please contact us. We're happy to help. See you next time.